At Nextbiotics, we're engineering viruses to tackle antibiotic-resistant infections. And I want to ask you, how many of you have ever taken antibiotics? Most of us. Imagine if those antibiotics didn't work. That was my case last year when I had an antibiotic-resistant infection. And like me, 2 million people are diagnosed with antibiotic resistance. And from those, 700,000 people die. And this number is increasing at an exponential rate. And the WHO estimates that by 2050, 10 million people are going to die from antibiotic resistance. That's why we created Nextbiotics, a biotechnology platform that engineers viruses to tackle antibiotic resistance. We're combining bacteriophage therapy with CRISPR technology to tackle and kill the drug-resistant genes. We're using CRISPR, a tool that allows us to edit the DNA. And our technical lead, he's an expert in using this tool, working at the lab that co-discovered CRISPR for the last 5 years. But our team not only combines deep CRISPR expertise, but a strong entrepreneurial backgrounds and an understanding of the pharmaceutical industry. And that's why we believe that the solution to this problem is not creating new and stronger antibiotics, but to reverse the resistance and enable current antibiotics to work again. With our patent-pending technology, we created a CRISPR system that can kill over 95% of the bacteria. Now, we're engineering the bacteriophage that is going to carry this CRISPR system. And we're going to move to mouse models by the end of next year. After moving to mouse models, we're going to go to bigger animals and eventually reach clinical trials. When we're there, we're going to apply for the fast track at the FDA, as we are addressing an unmet medical need. Our first indication is targeting an infection that affects 1.2 million Americans. And the cost of that treatment is $5,000, making our initial market around $6 billion. But our goal is bigger, and we want to become the leader supplier of engineered good viruses. And today, we're looking for clinical partners and medical advisors that want to join our journey. We're Nextbiotics, and we're engineering viruses for good. Thank you.